This could be our little secret. I'm a good guy, so you know that I can keep it. Started like that, so it won't stop now. We gotta stay quiet, but you love being loud. Two's a crowd, and we made it this far, and nobody could even guess how close we are. The pleasure's all mine, and so are you. It doesn't matter if the whole world doesn't know too. Low profile, neither one of us is speaking. Sneaking kisses for the sexes for the week, and we roll around town with the puzzle all pieced in. Tinted windows couple so the world can't see it. No review, cause the past is done with. And some subs that can bump just as loud as I love. Can sit and kick it with her. Get to know her so well that I wouldn't have to speak, and I can still tell that she'd listen. If I had something to say, made my decision, and told her that she needed to stay. And even though we had to keep it all tucked away, I know that inside of ourselves we had the guts to say,
let this be a little secret. No one needs to know the feeling. We're feeling like we're feeling in me. Up and up we keep on climbing. Let this be a little secret. No one needs to know the feeling.
Take it or leave it, but I choose to believe it. That my little city secret is my single deepest weakness. How I really feel, I wanna tell her the truth. That she makes my heart beat way faster than it's supposed to. And it's probably not good for our health, but my sneaky little sweetie says she loves to be self. Put our lips together and put our stress in the show. She's the reason that I let life take care of itself. Turning cliches into her own unique way of making sure I know we're gonna be okay. Only I know her, she makes the present the future, and keep it close apart so the world can feel it. Best to keep the rain. I'm taking the sunshine, she got purpose to grow, so we're feeling alright. Yeah, nobody needs to know, cause when the last call comes and the bars all close, the passion pit opens up and the music flows. Turn off the lights, cause we love the dark, and we up all night, just like the stars. And since the day is gone, we're gonna play this song.
Let this be a little secret.